I used to love mechanical keyboards until meetings became a nightmare. Every time I opened my mic, people could hear me clicking at my keyboard, and while I'm trying taking notes, I'm also disturbing myself by the noise of my keyboard. So I decided to switch to the new keyboard, which is quiet and smooth, and finally lets me type without disturbing anyone. Now I can take notes during the meeting with my mic on, and no one even notices I'm typing. Because that I'm using laptop, so I'm more familiar with 48 key layout. Let's go to the Southers.